Continuous integration. So CI is a development practice that requires developers to integrate code into the shared repository as and when changes, updates are made. Each check-in is then polled by a CI server such as Jenkins and then verified by an automated build stage, allowing teams to detect problems early before deployment actually. So codes are written by various developers and are committed to a version control repo such as Git, Bitbucket, or Mercurial. For instance, code commit, which is an AWS service. So every change is pushed to the repo and runs a build test to validate if the code is compiled correctly without any bug. And code is run in a CI server where the build and test happens. CI server is configured in such a way that anytime a new code is pushed to the repo, it pulls the newly committed code automatically from the repo. It builds and runs test. AWS Code Pipeline is a tool which gives us a visual representation of the build flow right from detecting any changes in the source to deployment, either staging or production. So if there's any issues or bugs detected, excuse me, the CI server automatically identifies and triggers an alert to the developers so they can make necessary changes and push them to the repos for build. The stages again resume from the beginning. So we'll be talking about the DevOps practice by building a continuous integration and delivery pipeline, fully automating the end-to-end release of application from committing code to production at a later part. Continuous delivery, continuous deployment. Now, these are the four stages, which is a crucial part of the continuous delivery pipeline. So it starts from the source, then it builds and staging. It goes to the staging platform. Now the build and the staging platform is taken care of by the build stage, and then it's pushed to production manually. So in a continuous deployment stage pipeline,